So all that I need to do right now here is just to wait small and click on sign in to receive my free reward here, to claim my free reward. So I just click on sign in, and guys, as you can see, boom, I just received my reward.
Okay, what's up guys, your guy Shaprasi here once again. And guys, in today's video I'm going to show you the best investment platform to make a lot of money from. Okay, so I encourage all of you to watch the video to the end to know the best investment platform to make a lot of money from, and how you can even get free USDT from this platform. Okay, so in case you're not having money to invest in this app, I'm going to show you how you'll be able to get free STDC from this app. Okay, and also before I forget to, those of you who are having a lot of money to invest, just watch the video to the end and you get to know the best platform to invest from, guys. And also watch to be updated on my next giveaway that I'm going to do on my channel here. But before that, I would like to do a small introduction. Okay, so guys, it's your guy Shaprasi here once again. I'm a content creator. I do content about how to make money online. Okay, I go to the market and find out how it's working for people. I come here and record video about what people are doing, and they are making a lot of money online. Okay, so if you are somebody up there, or you know somebody up there who would love to make money online, guys, go ahead and share my videos to your friend or your family members or anybody at all who love to make money online. Share my videos to them. Also don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel for great content online. My guys, before I forget to, I would like all of you to do something for me, all of you watching this video to do something for me. Okay, the video you are watching right now, I want you to click on that like button, destroy that like button, smash the like button. As you can see, I'm doing on the screen here. So smash the like button, and that will enable me to bring more interesting content. And also don't forget to drop your comment. Okay, somebody will say, okay, Shapira said I don't have anything to comment about. Like, yeah guys, when you appreciate what I'm doing here, really love what I'm doing here, just go down to the comment section, just comment great job. You can see how somebody have done it, well done job. Okay, that's cool. But just type in something that when I see it, it will encourage me to be dropping more content here, more content that will help you to get enough money. Okay, and guys, also don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon below to be notified when I drop more videos. And before I also forget, in case you have any suggestion, anything at all, just drop it in the comment section. And also I would like to say something small about a giveaway, how you can enter a giveaway or be the winner of a giveaway. So I would like go to the description box, particular video you are watching right now, go down to the description box below and you can see you have my website there. Click on the website link. Okay, so when you click on the website link, it will bring you to a place that look like this, as you can see on the screen. This is my website. Okay, I also post tips about how to make money online, as you can see on the screen here, a lot of tips. So guys, when you're here, just scroll down, keep scrolling down to a place that you will see, boom, this place that you see followers. Okay, so when you are new here, you see follow, click on the follow button and confirm that you have followed me. So after you have followed me, you just scroll down again and come here, give me your name, give me your email address, and send me a message that you have followed me. That's the way that you enter into the giveaway. And in my next video, I'm going to announce the winner of the giveaway and who is going to receive the $10. And as I promise you, I'll be giving $10 to 10 people. Okay, I'll be giving $10 to 10 people. So yes, let's reach 500 followers on my website, and I'm going to open a giveaway. And also follow me on Instagram, where I also drop tips about how to make money online. I mean, on top of all that I said, let's just go to the reason why we are here. Okay, so what's up guys? So now today, let me just introduce something to you real quick. I want you to click on the link in the description box below. Click on the link in the description, the first link in the description box below. When you click on it, to bring you to a place that look like this, as you can see on the screen. So when you're here, just give them your username, which is what Shapiro said, as you all know. So use your own username, give them your username, and also give them your password. And guys, you use my referral link. Okay, there will be a referral link that it will automatically generate a referral link for you, so make sure that you use my referral link. Okay, so after you have logged successfully, to bring you to a place that look like this, you can see, so we are very new here. As you can see on the screen, it's a new account that I've created with you. So guys, don't worry, I'm going to explain everything to you into details, what you'll be doing here to do investment, and how you can make a lot of money from this particular site I showed you here. So let me just start from homepage. So let me just go back to the homepage. Okay, so that is how the homepage look like, as you can see on the screen. And guys, when you're here first, they can say they are doing some kind of giveaway which have a limited time. And they said a single recharge of 100 USDT will get 5 USDT for free. That means when you recharge 100 USDT, for example, you deposit 100 USDT on this platform, you're going to get 5 USDT for free on it. Okay, and when you recharge 500 USDT, you're going to get 30 USDT for free, and it's continuous like that. Okay, so guys, I think this is the best platform for you to invest. I have done enough research on the platform, and I can recommend this platform to you. That guys, this platform is very very legit, and you're going to make a lot of profit from this platform. So let me just scroll down real quick. Let me just explain some things to you on this app that you need to know what you're doing. I can see they have some plans here, some investment plans that you need to know. I'm not going to talk about them now for now. Let me just, so guys, so you click on my profile. When you click on my profile to bring you to a place that look like this. Let me just go back real quick. Now guys, you can see at the top there where my recording button is. There's a button there. Just click on it. You can see the top there. Just click on that top there. When you click on the top there, it will bring you to a place that look like this. Okay, it will bring you to a place that look like this. And when you're here, all that you need to do is click on sign in. Okay, when you click on sign in, you're going to give you your free reward. Okay, so for those of the people that don't have any money to invest on this app, don't worry, I still got you. Okay, so you are going to be claiming 0.1 USDT every day. And when you scroll down, let me just scroll down, let me show you. You can see when you log in for 3 days, 7 days, the benefits that you'll be getting from this app, the rewards you'll be getting from this app. In case you don't have any money to invest in this app, you can still work in this app. And for those of you who have some money, little money that you want to invest in this app, or you want to do more investment on this app is really really good for you. So I recommend this app to everybody out there who is looking for a way to invest the money. Now when I refresh the page, you can see boom. Let me just refresh it. You can see after I refresh the page, my money is in my account. As you can see, that's what the 0.1 USDT I just won from there. So you can keep doing this every day and you'll be getting this 0.1 USDT. And guys, when you are here, when you are at the main page, now let me just explain. Let me just go back. Let me just explain the investment cycle to you all to understand it vividly. Okay, guys, here we are on the cycle 1, which is the day 1, which is the experience period. And you're going to the maximum USDT required here is what 10 USDT. You're going to make a profit of what 4% on your deposit. And the second one is what the maximum is what the 20 USDT. You're going to make a profit of 4.5 on your amount deposited here. When you scroll down again, you're going to see the third one, which is what 100 USDT. When you deposit it, you're going to make a profit of 6% on it, which is $6 daily, guys. And remember, it's daily that you're going to receive those profits on it. Okay, and when you're here 300 USDT, you're going to receive 8% daily on it. So guys, when you calculate you receiving this money daily on it, you can see that it's a lot amount of money. You can see it's a lot amount of money. So but I'm not a financial advisor, so I encourage all of you to really do the investigation on this app before you invest on this app. You can see the global partners that are working with this app, and Coinbase is in here. And you can see Coinbase is the biggest cryptocurrency platform that everybody is using in Ghana here into, and it's very very well trusted. So I recommend this app to everyone there who is looking for the best app to invest and make a lot of profits from it. Okay guys, this app is very very legit. I encourage all of you to also do a background research on the app very well before you deposit your money in here. Okay, I'm not a financial advisor. And on top of that, let's go to the referral button here, how you can refer. And guys, the referral program is very very good. Okay, as you can see, the referral program is very 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 good. You can also go to your referral, the invitation rules, and you know the rules of the referral. Now the rules for referral here is that the amount of friends you refer, that's the amount of money you're going to make. Guys, in case I refer a friend who come to the app and the person recharge of $100, I'm going to get about 10% of the person's amount. As you can see, these are new accounts I created with you here right now, so I don't have anybody under me, and I'm not making any profits from this site. But you can also make a profit from this site. As I said earlier, that I'm going to do another video about this particular site, showing you how you can deposit and withdraw money from this site and how you can make a lot of money from this site. And if you would like to watch that particular video, comment below, let me know if you want me to do that particular video for you to prove to you that this app is really working. And in case you want to deposit, just click on the deposit button there and copy their email address. After you copy their address, you go to either Coinbase, Binance, TrustWallet to send them the amount of money that you want to deposit in here for your work. So guys, as I said earlier, as I'm saying earlier, I'm going to do another video about how you can deposit money here and how you can withdraw money here, how you can make a lot of profits in here. So in case you want me to do that video, I want to see that video, guys, just comment below. Okay, comment below that okay, I said I want to see that video, and I'm good to go. I'm going to do a video about that, explaining to you how you can use this app and make a lot of money from this app. And guys, if you like what I'm doing here, never forget to smash that like button, smash that liking button, and comment below your biggest problem that you have here. But in this video, I'm recommending this app for you. Okay, I'm recommending this app for this app is really good, really good, and I recommend this app to everybody out there who is looking for a way to invest their money online. So I recommend this app to you all that you use. And you can always see the global partner that this app is working with big companies up there. So there is no way it's even working with Binance. Okay, as you can see, the app is even working with Binance, which the Binance and the cryptocurrency are the biggest crypto wallet in the world, as we all know, and they are working with this app. So there is no way this app is going to fake with you. Okay, so I recommend this app to everybody who's watching the video. And also, and I have also a great app that are on the way coming that I'll be doing video about. So in case you want to do another video about this app, just let me know. Okay, so what you think that what I'm doing on this channel here, you really like it, why not go ahead and click on the subscribe button to be notified anytime I drop new video, and also share the video to all your friends who are looking for a way to make money online. And also on top of that, make sure that you share my video to put it on your staff tattoos, explain to yourself, telling your friends to watch my video, refer your friends to me that my videos are the best. And also, when you think that I've done something wrong, give me a dislike on this video and comment below. Let me know the biggest problem that I have done, and I will try to improve upon myself in my next video, because I love to do improvement a lot. And concerning the giveaway, that's the rule for the giveaway, and I promise you, when I reach 500 followers, I'm going to announce the winners for the giveaway. And also, there will be a link in the description box below in case you want to join my channel that I also talk about YouTube monetization. You want to monetize your YouTube within a month, there will be the link, there will be the second link in the description box below for you to join my channel. And also, don't forget to join my main channel, which is on shapiroac.com, where I post tips about how to make money online, what I'm doing before it's working for me, and what you can also do to work for you. So there will be all this link all will be in the description box below. And also, before I forget, you guys, I know I'm having a lot of messages that I need to reply. As you can see, I have a lot of messages that I need to reply, but guys, don't worry, I'll be replying. Or I'm always busy working with some things, but don't get upset of me, because I'll get a time and reply all your messages. So keep your message coming, and I promise you I'm going to reply all your messages. Okay, I promise I'm going to reply all your messages. See you on my next video. I'm out.